Good evening, Mep here, Mep Investments, bringing you today's news and stock movers. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 152.43%. S&P up 16 to 4536.37, and the Nasdaq was down a smidge. Tesla, after hours, posted record revenue and profits in the third quarter. I want to say the stock was down after hours. Down 14. I did do a trade in Tesla today for earnings, and what I did was orders filled Tesla. Where are you? Right here. I did a broken wing butterfly at the 900 strike. So basically, how this trade is, what this trade is composed of, is buying 895 call, selling 900 calls, skipping the 905 call, and then buying the 910 call. And that's why it's a broken wing butterfly. A regular butterfly would have bought the 905 and would have paid a debit. So what I do here in this strategy is you skip the 905 and buy the 910. Obviously, you have more risk in the trade, but it's probably like an almost 80% probability of success on the trade. I collected $50 on the trade, and about, I want to say this is tying up $500 in buying power. That's what I want to say. So let me see here, make sure that I'm accurate in my disclosure. Tesla margin 500. So you collected 50 on a 500 margin. So 10% is what I'm, if by Friday Tesla is not, and you can make money several ways there. Tesla doesn't go up, you keep the $50, you make 10% of your $500 that you put on margin set aside for the trade. Or Tesla can go up to your 900 strike and you can pin it and make extra money there. So it looks like Tesla won't be making it there. Let's take a look at the futures. The dollar is at 93.50, more or less. Foreign currencies are mixed. I just did a Bitcoin video, so that was my prior video. Oil is at 83.84. Incredible. This will be more pressure on inflation. As energy costs input goes up, inflation will go up with it. This is not a good scenario. Paul Tudor Jones today was on CNBC. Great interview. I would like to watch it because it was in the morning and I was walking and I couldn't catch it all. But here it is. Paul Tudor Jones says inflation could be worse than feared. Biggest threats to markets and society. And here's about 3 minutes of the video. I would go to CNBC and watch it, or try and catch the whole video if you can. It was very interesting. He had good things to say. In the after hours, after 6 p.m. here, we have the futures open. We have the S&P down 5, gold pretty stable at 1785, copper 473. The meats are still hanging around the high, so meat prices will be high. Hogs have gone down at 76 cents. Small caps are flat at 22.88. Nasdaq down 30, and then we're down also in the regular session. Nat gas back at 5.18, and that's been a crazy commodity in the past couple weeks. Silver at 24.40, nice little run in silver. and I expect silver to just increase as inflation keeps creeping up. We actually have the VIX at green, and the grains are green. They opened up at 8, and they're up. We have interest rates higher. So when interest rates are higher, usually bad news for tech and high growth names. So the 10-year and the 10-year and 30-year futures are down, meaning interest rates are higher. On the trade front, so that's the futures. On the order front, well, I did the Tesla trade. I did about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. About 20 trades today on my break from work when I looked at the computer, put some trades on. I closed Roblox for 50%. IGT I closed out for a nice gain. TME closed out for a nice gain. Fast closed out for a nice gain. Clean Spark closed out for a nice gain. Opened up Bitfarm, Mara, PayPal, Tesla earnings trade, which I went over. Slug, Open, Crocs, Sense, Can, Lizzie, DNA, Pinterest, Ardus. What is Ardus? Radius Health. They were a big, I think, on some news about a drug. Coin. What did I do on Coin? Did a broken wing butterfly on Coin on the weekly expiring next week. Maybe I could pin. I'm trying to get pinned. I know the market likes round numbers, so Coinbase at 314. I did at 350. Maybe the market pins it next week at 350 for a nice pin and make some extra dough on that butterfly if I could pin it at 350. If not, I keep the $25 credit. CMMB was trending. It's a medical play, a bio play, and I just bought a couple shares of stock. And SRNE was also trending on the stock tweets. I love stock tweets. Let's check what's trending now. So Tesla's trending, Ether, Solana, PayPal, which said it was going to buy Pinterest. JRJC is garbage Chinese. HX is another garbage Chinese. Small float, pump and dumps. What is this? Southern Company is copper. So I don't know why it's trending. And Frank's International. I don't know what this is. I would have to look at it. Would have to look at that. On the earnings, let's go over here and click on earnings. Take a look. What is this? View calendar. So we had 75 earnings today. We have 94 tomorrow. On the earnings front, Tesla, IBM got crushed. Verizon, nice day. Abbott, nice day. I have a put credit spread and a call in Verizon, so I'm double long. Las Vegas Sands, LRCX is and ASML. Both of these companies are chips, down big. CSX is the railroad company, no? Yeah, they must have split because I used to be higher. Nextra Energy, that's FPL, good stock. What else? Tenet Healthcare, wow, $70. I could have sworn that stock was a $20 stock. Maybe I'm going crazy. Yeah, look at that 1 year chart. That was almost a $20 stock, I remember. Holy cow. Jeez. Louise. Winnebago makes RVs. Yeah, we're in the heart of earning season, so it's a lot of stuff going on. Nice Swift, a trucker, up nicely. Yeah, well, it's a lot of earnings. Look at that, just a lot of stuff. Rush is into trucks. Truck dealer. Rush is a truck dealer. What else we have here? But the main one was Tesla. That's the one that took the show today. And I showed you my trade, 10% return. Probably I will collect on probably when I put the trade on. I want to say it was over 80% probability of success on that trade. And that's the beauty of options. Learn the different strategies. Watch the videos that I do. Share it. To folks that like trading and to make money with little capital. A lot of beautiful strategies. Here are options. Look at all these strategies. Learn them. Go to Tasty Work or watch a TD network and educate yourself for financial freedom. Here are all the strategies you could do. Learn them and come up with your systems and become mechanical and have a systematic approach day in and day out, and you could be very successful. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good night. Stay safe, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.